Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HTC Desire 628 to Oppo device. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer. I already did that on HTC because it was taking forever to download, so I can open it right away. And from this screen over here, we need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select send on HTC and receive on Oppo. Then click on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, for example this photo. Just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Oppo, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!